So, it's about time for me to clean the headlight lens on my girlfriend's car. There's the inside. Might as well make a video showing how. I already got it apart, which took an angle grinder with a cutoff wheel, going all the way around the outside edge, and going through that glue that's in there. That's some sticky, nasty stuff. But it did come apart, and now I'm going to buff using the plastics. Use a liberal amount. Preferably a clean, dry cloth. Something pretty soft that won't scratch the plastic, of course. It's exactly the opposite of what we're trying to do. And also on something nice and soft, say clean pants leg. Smear that stuff around nice. Not using too much pressure. There are solvents in there that very slightly dissolve the plastic you're working on. You want to give that a couple seconds to soak in. And then with a little more pressure, just buff like hell. You want to basically do this until it starts to get pretty dry and a little stickier. You'll feel more friction. At that point, go ahead and stop and let it dry to a haze, just like a car wax. Buff it off again with a clean section of towel. Then do the other side. I'd used this on the outside 5-6 times already before. They never got as cloudy as they were to start with. These things were pretty nasty the first time I did it. But they get pretty cloudy again, probably 2-3 months later. At which point, either do it again, or maybe you found some good headlights by then. But this does make it a lot easier to see at night. That fog in the plastic just, I guess it just acts like a diffuser. And it basically obliterates the nice beam you get coming out of the healthy headlight. After you clean them off, you got a pretty nice crisp beam of light heading right where you aim it. Alright, that stuff is pretty dry. You'll notice this stuff is not crisp and bright here where I've been buffing compared to there. You can kind of see the difference. Backwards, so this is funny. Very weird. But now we just wait, and hopefully it'll dry and buff out pretty nice. You can put another 2-3 coats on if you want to. It's a lot easier if you have a buffer, but hopefully one's going to be pretty good.